In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online, updated. Keeping a reliable backup of your accounting data is one of the simplest ways to protect your business against mistakes, accidental deletions, or unexpected changes. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct company in QuickBooks Online and that you have the permissions to manage backups. A stable internet connection will also help the process run smoothly. First, look to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where many administrative tools live. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to finish loading, or try expanding your browser window so the icon isn't hidden. From the settings menu, select Backup Company. This takes you to the backup area for your account. Think of this page as your backup dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your saved backups, typically organized by date and time. If you're new to backing up or you haven't run one recently, you might see an empty list or only a few entries. That's normal. This page is also where you can return later to review what's been saved and verify that your data is protected. To create a fresh backup right now, click Run Manual Backup. QuickBooks will begin capturing a snapshot of your current data, your transactions, lists, and settings as they exist at this moment. While the backup is running, it's best to stay on the page and avoid navigating away. Depending on the size of your company file and your internet speed, it could take a little time. You may see a progress indicator, just let it complete. Once it's finished, your new backup should appear at the top of the list with today's date and time. Take a moment to confirm it shows a successful status so you have a clear record of when the backup was created. If the backup doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. And if it fails, check your connection and try running the manual backup again. That's all it takes. Click the gear icon, choose Backup Company, review your existing backups, and run a manual backup when you need a current snapshot. As a best practice, consider making a manual backup before major imports, reconciliations, or structural changes. A few seconds today can save hours of rework later. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to back up QuickBooks Online with confidence.